All right, so today's workout, we are going to do a full body resistance band workout. And I have two workout bands here. These are resistance bands. I have a heavier one and a lighter one. So you can use whichever one that works best for you. I actually already worked out today. So I'm gonna use the lighter one, but typically if this is my first workout for the day or only workout for the day, I'll use the heavier one just to give myself more resistance. Okay, so we are going to do chest press for the first workout. So you wanna take the band in your hand and then you wanna just put it behind your back. And then you're going to press forward.
Pressing forward as if you're doing a push-up.
Hold on, let me get this strap right.
You'll repeat this for 10 reps, and I'll turn to the side so you can get a better view.
Okay, so now we have bend over rows. So for this, you want to take the resistance band and you want to put your feet over the middle of the band. Bend over slightly. Be sure not to stick your butt out, but just tuck your tail and your head down. Bend your knees slightly and lean forward. I'll show you what it looks like from the side, but just so you know, you want to bend your knees slightly, tuck your head down, take the band in both hands, and you're just going to pull the band up. It's very important when you're doing this workout that you make sure to squeeze your shoulder blades in the back. That way you know that you're getting the workout done properly. Now we have deadlifts. So you want to take your band and you're gonna do the same.
What did he say?
You're gonna take the band and you're gonna do the same thing that you did with your deadlifts. Put your feet in the middle of the band. So the wider that you put your feet, the more tension that you'll have on the band for your deadlift. So if you want more tension, just go wider. All right, so I'm gonna go about hip width distance apart. Tuck my chin and bend over and stand straight up, squeezing my glutes at the top. And if this isn't enough resistance for you, you can just grab lower on the band by wrapping the band around your arm, around your wrist, like that. You can do it more than once if you need even more resistance.
Setting up my form here, I have my chin tucked and I slightly bend my knees and hinge my hips backwards. You see, I'm not squatting down and I'm allowing my hips to move backwards, keeping a neutral spine as I go down, and when I come up, I squeeze my glutes at the top as tight as I can.
All right, so now we have shoulder press. So for this one, you want to put one of your feet inside the band. If you need more resistance, you can definitely put 2 feet inside the band, and then you'll just take the band in your hands like this and press straight up. Okay, so now we have squats. So you want to take your band and you'll do the same thing that you did for your deadlift. So 1 foot in for less resistance, 2 feet for more resistance. And you're just gonna hold the band the entire time. Your arms won't move. It's just gonna be you squatting down. Or you can press up at the top after you squat. I'll show you how. Or just a regular squat. Alrighty, so now we have bicep curls. So for this, you're gonna put both feet inside your band. Take the band on the sides, just like so. Then just wrap your hands around it, and we're just gonna pull it up. I'll show you. Alright, so last but not least, we have overhead tricep extensions. And I'm going to show you how to set this up because it can be a little tricky. So you just want to take your band, put one foot in, actually put both feet in, but only step on one. Take the band around the back of your body.
You're driving too fast? Jail. Slow? Jail. You're charging too high prices for sweaters, glasses? You ride to jail.
Take the band around the back of your body like that, and then your arms or your hands will be placed on the sides like this. You want to create some space in between just so that you can have some tension, and your elbows tucked in, and just press up.
Okay.
Okay, so for the workouts, you want to do 10 to 12 reps for 3 rounds or 3 sets. And if that's too many for you, do 8 to 10. But I would say try to push yourself to at least 10. If you can do more, great. If you're more advanced, definitely get the thicker band. Other than that, this is a full body workout using just the band. You don't need to do the gym. You can do this pretty much anywhere that you have space and a band.